Alright, so right now, probably going to start, at least on one side, installing the headers. And it's been a long time since I've installed headers, but I know that headers have always been a problem with them getting loose over time. And it makes sense because they thermal cycle quite a bit. They get super hot really fast. They cool down typically really fast as well. So what I'm doing, I used them once before on a car a long time ago, but I'm going to use these split locks. This is from Summit, but I've had good luck with them in the past, so hopefully my luck holds out here. With these bolts, so it's just a regular bolt that's kind of split here. Get it to focus. Well, not focus, but it's cut part of the way through the bolt. And what happens is, so you run it in like a regular bolt, and then you tighten this, and there's like a wedge inside that it presses up against and expands the base, so friction locks in. Seems like a pretty solid design, so this is what I'm going to roll with. That is close.